We're excited to share news of the impending release of the latest Workshop Diary module for Autowork Online. This latest version of the product now incorporates a brand new look and feel. It's fresh and exciting. It really streamlines your planning, yet retains that familiarity that your existing users enjoy. The Workshop Diary has also been enhanced to optimize efficiencies in your business with a range of new innovative features, including the ability to split jobs across multiple days, bays, and time slots. The comprehensive appointment calendar consolidates all scheduled appointments and jobs into a single intuitive view. You can see all upcoming appointments and can filter your view of these in a number of ways, including day, week, and month. With enhanced performance and navigation, the latest Workshop Diary serves as the primary dashboard for front-of-house operations. Contact us today to learn more about the latest Workshop Diary for Autowork Online.